testing whether a World War II tank can destroy a modern tank. For the test, we will take the terrifying King Tiger, a German tank of the Second World War, and also the newest Russian tank T9OM. All right, let's start the test. First, let's check the frontal armor. Ricochet, shot at the lower armor plate. Unbelievable. He pierced it and blew up the ammo rack. Shot at the turret. No penetration. Commander's hatch. No critical damage. Now let's test from the side. The Tiger sent his turret into space. Subscribe for more content.